Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 17th of September. This is our midweek market update. I hope you're all doing well. Fed day is come and gone. The Fed cut 0.25. The path forward is about as murky and muddy as it can get. Um, there are thoughts we might get two more rate cuts this year and then a bunch to start next year. It's also possible we don't see any cuts this year. Powell was pretty hawkish on his call. Now remember, Powell only has two meetings left, and then he's going to be gone, and Trump's going to put in somebody he wants. This is going to be very interesting. Why I'm starting with the VIX today, because the VIX, which was up and moving, has come back down and is red on the day. This is a good sign for the markets overall. Uh, Looking for some changes. Bonds popped and came back. Gold dumped back down, and the dollar dumped back down, although it's coming back now, right? So let's go to the SPY. The SPY, you have this big tail. You have this big wild move. Initially, we popped, then we dropped. I had a nice short on that into this, and now we came back up. And overall, the SPY went briefly below the 8 EMA and came back above it, and it looks overall just fine. The Qs even stronger, almost got green, almost got green. The IWM, which had spiked huge, came crashing back in. The banks held serve. Names like JP Morgan, new all-time highs, Goldman, Bank of America. In my opinion, what happened here is they went running back to the tech trade, the names that are safer. We saw Microsoft with a nice bounce off of this. Tesla highs of the day and breaking above this week's highs on that off that move. Very, very strong here. Um, Hood also strong highs of the day above yesterday's highs. Saw these types of names moving. What else? The semis here, not a lot going on though. Nvidia with the news today that China doesn't want anybody to buy their chips for AI chips is holding in okay. AMD kind of hanging out. Avgo holding okay. Reddit new all-time highs. Thank you, Chris. Cat put in new all-time high and is strong today. Costco with a nice little move back up. Walmart, is that an all-time high on Walmart? That is an all-time high on Walmart today. So there were things taking place here, right? There were a lot of things going on here. The market overall held. Meta has their event tonight after the close, and it's holding in just fine. So my read on this market is I would love a dip. Probably any dip here is going to be shallow. Trump is he's going to go ballistic because he only got a 0.25 cut and he wants a point, but he wanted at least a 0.5. Keep in mind, Trump now has an inside person on the Fed. His cabinet member is now a Fed member. They will be able to target every Fed member and what they said and did and try to get them out. So Chris and I are talking in the room short term, this is going to become Trump's Fed, and that's probably a good thing short term. Long term, TBD. We'll see how that plays out. But bottom line here is, this market's strong. They rotated right back into big cap tech, and the market feels fine. All my Bitcoin fans out there and everybody's screaming, Bitcoin's got to go. It's got to go. It'll go when it's ready. Right now, it's not ready. Hope you guys had a good one. I'll put a link in here description below if you want to join us, and I'll catch all you guys bright and early in the room tomorrow morning.